All right, this is the way I'm putting this back together. The U-ring here is in the hole not circled red in the picture. I've assembled it with the flat of the U-ring against the flat in the float bowl casting, and with the curved side of the U-ring facing toward the cover. And so I'm just going to put it together like this, fill this up with some fuel, and see if all goes well, whether this takes care of the leak that I've had. Okay, on reassembly of the pump cover, I put some fuel in the fuel bowl here, and there is no leaking between the bowl and the cover, which is great. And I think I've discovered something about the operation of this pump, and that is that the pump sends, the air would come out of this little hole down here in the bottom right there, that hole, and then once pressurized, the fuel would come up through this tube. I don't know why this appears to be blocked like this, but it's not actually blocked. I confirmed this with compressed air earlier. The fuel would come up through here, and there's an O-ring sealing things off, and it would go into the underside of the carburetor here through this point here, and then that in turn goes up through a tube in the carburetor assembly. That tube, I think, is the tube that squirts the fuel on acceleration. I'm going to put this all back together after doing a little more cleaning, and then test out and make sure that that pump actually functions. All right, looks like we have success here. The accelerator pump is doing what it's supposed to do. It's squirting fuel into the body of the carburetor.